You see that smoked pizza? Well, check this out. I'm gonna show you how to make it today. Let's go. Just keep it simple. Let's get our dough situated. We're gonna make this one real simple. I'm going with 500 grams of bread flour. King Arthur. Oh, a little over 501. We'll let it stay. So now we're just gonna add about 6 grams of kosher salt up in here. That. I like to add a little garlic powder to mine. 6 grams of that too. So I'm just using good old tap water. 60% hydration. Since I got 500 grams of flour, it'll be 300 grams of water. 302, all right. All right, so we need to get that water warmed up for our yeast. So put it on about a minute for mine. So a few more steps, y'all. So I'm gonna do, I think I only need about 3 grams of this yeast. 7 grams of sugar, which should be a teaspoon. Boom. Mix it up like that. Let it relax, let it hang out for about 10 minutes. All right, y'all, we almost ready. Hey, baby, show them the foam what it looks like when it's ready. And let's drizzle this water in, baby. Let's keep letting it do its thing, y'all. I got it on medium. I got mine set on 4 in the KitchenAid. Let it keep going until it gets smooth. So check this out, y'all. So when it starts just straining a little bit, we almost finished. Turn it up. We almost ready, so it'll be ready in about another minute. That's it. It's moist, but still manageable. The reason I didn't add any fat to the dough, because with this particular pan pizza I'm gonna make with this, it's gonna have enough fat in it. So we're gonna be, slather it with butter at the bottom and everything. So it's gonna have tons of cheese on it. So that's why. For you that's looking and be like, hey, you didn't add like any butter or olive oil in there. Boom, bam. See, like that. Just to get it to a nice round ball. Put some tension on it. We know how to put tension on it up in the air. I'm gonna put this in this pot here, the olive oil. Get it all around there so it don't dry out. Nice and smooth. We're gonna let it ferment and do a slow rise. So you gotta do that wrestler clothes when you got your hands dirty. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator overnight. It's gonna ferment and do a slow rise, and we'll be back in the morning having some fun and do this experiment. We're gonna see how it turn out. Gave this overnight rest and puffed up quite nicely. Knock a little gas out of there. All right, it's 815. So we're just gonna split it in half. So it's gonna make it roughly 407. All right, so we're gonna let this sit and proof for about an hour. Get some pizza shaped up. You ready to go on outside? It's a nice day at 20 degrees outside. So this is gonna be fun. Sun is out. All right, see y'all back in a few. Cover it up so it doesn't dry out. All right, we are about to get ready to get everything assembled. Put the butter up in here so it don't stick. We gonna put this butter all up in here, all along the sides. So I got it's about 2 tablespoons, baby? We gonna put it all up in here. That crust is gonna be, that's gonna be some goodness there. All right, the dough has rested for a good hour. Look at that, it's easy to work with now. You just need to pat it out to the form of your pan. That's it. Nice and easy there, ain't it? So we're not gonna go all the way up because we're gonna use the cheese as our crust. So we're using whole fat mozzarella cheese. So we're not fancy enough to go to the store and have it cut up for us, like you see at the nice pizza places. So I'm gonna cut it up as best as I can. Nice, nice, kind of like not thick, but not super thin. So like that. So as long as you got a decent knife, you should be good. Well, we got here, baby, a whole pound. We're gonna use a pound of cheese. Hey, look, y'all, it ain't too bad. We're just gonna put this right up on the side like that. It's my first time doing it on the smoker, so we're gonna find out. It's gonna be extremely delicious. It's gonna be a disaster. You're gonna be like, man, what did you lead me to? I still got 2 pieces of cheese left. I could be greedy and put it on there, but I think it'd just be overkill, so I'm not gonna do that. We got our sauce. Saucy. Yeah.
Homemade sauces.
Yeah. I think that's about all the sauce I need. Yeah, because we don't want to be too liquidy. And you gotta have sausage. In Chicago, we put sausage on our pizza. Well, like that. We ain't trying to like be super fancy with it or anything like that. Boom, that's a nice big piece.
Good already.
Big piece, yeah. So I think this was a pound. So we're going with a pound of meat on here. It's my own sausage. I think I got a video on here on how I made my own sausage from scratch. So yeah, so we got that. And one more thing, gotta hit it with that Parmesan, fresh Parmesan. Go ahead, grate up your own, not the stuff in the can. It's good sometime in a pinch, but this here, it's deluxe. If you make your own, it'll be deluxe. Let's get outside on the smoker, baby. And have a party. Ooh, you like that? You like how it look already, don't you?
Sure do.
Man, come on. All right, I'm gonna throw a piece of post oak up in here. We're gonna try to get this up to 400. That's gonna be good. Yeah, we got a nice fire going. So post oak wood, because we don't want it to be extremely smoky. It's our first time, so that's a mild smoke. So we're trying to see. So look at this, baby. Yeah. All right. It's going on now. Let me see. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'm going to check on it in about a half an hour and see where we at. Let's do it. All right, half an hour and past. Let's see what we looking like. Ooh, okay. I don't think we got too far to go. I'm going to get 20 more minutes because I like my cheese, brown. What? 10 minutes has passed, so that'd be a total of 40 minutes. Oh, snap. I think we there now.
Yeah.
I'm taking it off. Look like it might fly off for us. It ain't doing too much sticking. Oh man, it look good. We left a little crust behind, but it's okay. All right, let it cool down. We're gonna cut it up. Ooh, I can't wait to tear into this, boy. Just keep it simple. Man, that smells good. Shoot. Ooh. Let me go for this nice dark piece. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Do we knife and fork it? Or we go ahead and eat it like this?
Ooh, that crunch.
Oh, yeah. We got something, y'all. We got something. I would recommend doing this. You know, put it on your pellet grill, your smoker, put it on the charcoal Weber, whatever. Y'all saw how it was done. I had it at 400 degrees on that smoker, 40 minutes. I'm pretty sure if you got like a pellet grill, crank that baby to 450, let it ride for about a half an hour, and you got you some delicious smoked pan pizza. All right, y'all. I'm out, baby. Peace. Ooh, baby.